Welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm not working on my truck, I'm out enjoying driving around. And it's actually a new year, so first of all, happy new year everybody. What a busy year it was. A lot of projects, a lot of mistakes, a lot of fixes, but in the end I think everything seems to be working out fine. Now I really wish everybody a happy new year and no issues with the trucks or anything. And I still have plenty of videos coming out, and I still have more projects involving my truck and maybe some other cars. Of course, I'm going to be helping out my friends working on their trucks. There is one particular upgrade that I'm hoping I can help my friend to do a big brake upgrade on his Xterra from Z1. That's going to be very interesting to see what's the improvements of big brakes versus regular brakes, the ones we have. I already seen the kit that he got. The rollers are so much bigger, so that's something in the future. Hopefully I can make the video. And I'm thinking to do a video on my truck again, like overview all the stuff that has been done since I bought it, what broke, what didn't break, what kind of issues I had, what kind of maintenance and stuff, all kind of stuff like that. A video like that I'm thinking to make. Maybe it's gonna be interesting for you guys, and what kind of tools I carry and what I carry with my truck all the time and what not. I hope you guys gonna be looking forward to that video. But today it's just a short video, just to wish everybody a new year and to everybody be well, not to get sick, and so that the cars don't break either. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.